Hey guys, welcome channel. I'm out with my son Kevin. We're both on the 300L. We're out checking out some trails. It's crazy how we find some that we don't know if we've been on, like this one. I don't remember it, but
Oh, that's a muddy mess.
mucky, muddy. Oh man, you should have dove off in that after washing your bike.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. I was like, yeah, I just washed my bike.
Just got it cleaned up and dive off in there.
There's some cows up here in the path.
Oh yeah, there it is.
I guess they're not, and it looked like they were laying right in it at first.
Hide it. You guys don't have to move.
Yeah, you can stay right there. Ain't gonna bother you one bit.
There's a bunch of them out here.
Yeah, there are.
I just think all them ribeyes. That's what I'm thinking. Uh-oh.
Feels like a Bodie Canyon type of road.
Well, we're not that far from there.
Dang, there's a lot of cattle through here. Holy cow.
Holy cow, yeah. Holy cows. Shows the road goes on the map. Left.
Well,
Uh-oh.
I don't think so.
It shows it, but it ain't there.
Captain?
Hey, I've been
There's
there
like
one time.
Deer trail or something, or maybe where
Oh,
cattle
it
come
may
up
be
down.
actually to the right up there somewhere. I can't. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Bear Creek's what it says. I don't know about where you went through here. I guess it works.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You don't think we're going that way?
Heck no.
Huh, that's weird. It shows the road, but it's... I guess we'll go somewhere else. Don't step downhill. Big rocks in front of you. That's the first rock we've seen today.
Yeah, I think so.
See, that's not a road there. That's just where the feeder is. It shows up this way, where we come from, but I don't guess it's... Maybe a goat path through there.
Yeah, because everything over here on this left side drops off down into a canyon, or like a valley, and then goes, and then the hill on the other side just goes straight up.
Oh, Cav, he's a cute booger.
There's a fresh one too.
See, that looks like a road out through there.
Oh yeah, that almost did look like a road.
Does it?
Either that, or it's just where the cattle come through here.
Yeah, maybe just a cow path. Yeah, I don't think it's... Well, what is that? That ain't no road. If it is, it dead ends right there.
Yeah, I don't know about all that.
Just where they've been up here years and years and years ago, dozing around or something, looks like. Where in the world are you going?
Down here.
I'm doing the play it safe route here. Are you serious? You got in front of me. Talk about cheating the system.
Found the shortcut.
That is a pretty good canyon down in here. Full of sycamore trees, looks like, down in there. I have no clue if we've been through here or not. There's been so many places we've been to, it's hard to know which road is which and where. They just kind of go everywhere.
Yeah, a lot of them look the same.
Yeah. And the border wall's right down here. Somewhere. Gotta be. It shows there. I think that's what I'm seeing on the map. Like right here. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, this is another one that goes.
See, there's the border wall there.
Yep.
And it goes right that way. So which way you want to go?
That way, I guess.
Kind of one of those deals around the bad spot, I guess. On the border wall. Oh no, there's the border wall. It goes that way too, so it's just a Y in the road.
Yeah, that's why I was saying this way.
Yep.
Because I could see it ran straight into the border wall.
Kind of a canyon we got here. This is a big old dude. There's all kinds of roads on this map that turn off of this thing. Who knows where they go? Person just has to come out and have time to explore them. That's why we need to come out here and do a camp out, and then we can explore them. Because if you have to, you know, it's more than one day, the more than you can do. And to drive all the way out here, it's better to come out here and camp, and then we can go exploring each day.
Yeah, because it already takes like an hour or so to get out here.
Yeah.
Whoa.
We got to turn around here.
Oh, yeah, that's what that road was to the right. It goes around it.
Yep, goes around this.
Because I see the road right there.
I see it on the map.
See it on the map? See it right there?
Yep.
Another windmill out there.
I see that. That's a pretty cool road here. Yeah, I remember going down this one. We saw the hogs on the left right there. I don't remember if you was with us or just me and Scotty.
I don't remember. I know we went pretty far.
See that road going up that mountain?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's where you've never been. That's where me and Scotty tried it. It's a long way over there. It's further than it looks. This is an extremely good border wall here to keep people out. Ain't nobody gonna be able to walk through there.
I'm trying to tell if I've been out this far or not. I feel like that one place with that dirt pile back there might have been that same dirt pile.
I don't know.
Either that or it's up here a little bit further. Because I know we went quite a ways, but we definitely didn't go all the way to the mountain.
Yeah, I know you didn't go to the sunflowers. If we get that far, you didn't go there. First, there won't be no sunflowers now.
Yeah.
This time of year, probably just tall weeds. What it look like. Yeah, that mountain over there is stupid. That's what that is.
Yeah, you can tell this. It almost looks like it's straight up from here.
It is. It's straight up a big old rocky dude. It's pretty good downhill.
Gravelly sucker.
Yeah.
I don't think I've been this far. It's pretty cool through here.
Yeah. Parker Canyon. That creek right over there is Parker Canyon Creek. It's probably dry as a bone. Probably coming out of the lake. We got right down here and there was just a little loop, turn around, and there was just so many sunflowers and weeds. I mean, I got them so tangled up I couldn't even go through it. Mess. It's probably the same way now because it looks like the traffic has The tracks have diminished. See, this is all sunflowers when it's warm.
Yeah, I've definitely not been this far.
Super tall, taller than you, like a tunnel of sunflowers through here.
It looks like this is where they were going to start building the wall tall.
Yeah, and you can tell it's more like it's starting of a Trump wall or something there. I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
He put all them tracks up taller. Right down here was as far as we could go, a little turnaround here, but it shows on the map that the road goes through here. It still does. It shows the map. It shows right there. It goes through.
Oh, that's a drop off. Hell no. And there's water.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I say we go around. That does not look safe.
See, I got off out in there. Right out through there. Which where it shows the road is, right through there. And yeah, I still can't do it. They're dead now, but they're just, and these big old clumps out here.
Yeah.
I mean, you hit them things, it's like hitting the dang log or something. I mean, they're solid as a rock. It's kind of crazy that you have to go all the way around just to go around that spot.
That's a big old sunflower field.
Yeah, it's crazy. But these things are bloomed out and green. It's pretty wild through here.
Yeah, I'd imagine it would look pretty cool whenever it's
Yeah, it's crazy.
out.
You're going through sunflowers higher than your head. Where else? Shows there's a road to the right there. There is, I guess. I think our closest route is we can get to the border. Well, I don't know. I mean, Parker Canyon Lake.
Oh, what? Oh, that's a house. Never mind. I was tripping. I thought that was a big old train cart or something up there.
Oh, where?
That house?
Oh. I don't know how far we're from. I don't think we're that far from Nogales through this dirt. You can take dirt road all the way to border stuff all the way to Nogales.
I don't think so, because even going up and around all the mountains and stuff, it's like an hour or something in Nogales. And
Right.
if there was a highway that went straight through, if you didn't have the mountains, at 60 miles an hour, it'd only be like a half-hour drive or something.
Right. So I think we're probably not that far from Nogales. We need to come out here one of these days and spend the time to search some of this stuff.
Yeah.
Just go do it.
Yeah, whenever we do come camping out this way, we need to find what road goes to Nogales.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably just over that steep mountain. Nobody can just get over it, though.
I bet it is. That's what me and Scotty thought. We thought Nogales is probably right on the other side of that mountain.
Guarantee you it is.
Oh, you
look
can
how
can
far
go
we
over
are
it.
out here.
You can go. I think I could make it. I
Well,
made it.
I haven't seen it yet, though.
Yeah.
Either.
I made it most of the way up. I just stopped because Scotty screwed up and couldn't make it, and I had to go back and take his bike down to the bottom, then walk all the way back up that mountain and get my bike and take it down.
Was it any worse than that one thing that we went up and on the DUALSPORTs, and I just pinned it in third gear and you fell over on that rock ledge or whatever?
Well, it's basically not like ledge rocks or them big football-sized rocks. It's not like that. It's like loose rock, gravel, loose rock, and it's just there's no traction. It's not like rocky big rocks like you're hitting them with your front tire.
It's more just squirrely and loose than anything.
Squirrely loose all the way up, yeah.
Yeah, the only way I could judge it for myself is to actually see it. That's actually one of the reasons why I was coming out this way.
Oh, well, we can go back and find it. But it's stupid. It's got to be back that way somewhere. I don't remember how we got to it. It has to be over there because that's the mountain. There. Huh?
I said, I don't know. Were you talking about that gate up here?
No, that just took us through the border wall, and then you go over to it. But there's got to be another way to the border wall back there. We can go back and look if you want.
That's up to you.
We're already here.
Might as well. Go check it out. See how steep that sucker is. And then I'll determine for another time.
We just got to find a way to the border wall over here. Got to be a way to the border wall.
Yeah, I'd say so. Since we're all the way out here, might as well go take a peep. Because this is the first time I've been all the way out this way too, because it's just so far, dang far out here.
Yeah. Gonna back this out so I can see the border. Yeah, the border's right there. Damn it. Yeah. Now it shows there's a road right here that goes straight to the border wall. Right here. Right here.
There's one right here, it looks like. Didn't you say it goes
right
through
there.
a gate?
Right there, yeah.
Because that looks like it goes through a gate. Oh, yeah, that's the same one that we passed.
Yeah, that's that one we went through, and it said you ain't supposed to go, whatever, but we did.
Oh, well, we'll just say we didn't see the sign. It's not like anybody's out here anyways. Authorized vehicles only.
That one guy led us over there. He's the one that had us go through this gate.
Looks like somebody's been through here pretty fresh on a side-by-side or something, because them tracks are really close to the center.
Uh-huh. I see dirt bike tracks. That old boy was sitting, see right here on this hill? To the left? Right there.
Right
there, that's where we was at, right down there. And we turned around at the sunflowers down there. That's right down there.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Dang, and we went all the way around that. That's crazy.
That's what I mean. It's a long ways just for that. See them posts over there? That's where we come through, where the fence was being built. All that just to come through there.
That's stupid. You drive like a whole 2 miles around.
There's got to be a better way. I'm telling you.
Let's look from up here.
There's that creek right there.
Let's take a peek. Yeah, it might be the creek stopping it.
There's a fence there, but there's got to be a way through there. Got to be. We went miles around there.
Yeah, I think it's because of the creek, to be honest, because it looks like creek all the way through there.
But see, there's a road that goes down right there, and that's the road it shows on. It shows that road right there on this map that it goes through.
Might have to check that out on the way back, see if we can save ourselves a couple miles.
I just can't imagine. It probably used to at one time go right down this hill.
Oh yeah, I guarantee it.
Well, you know it did, and that's not doable. But can you cross that creek anywhere down there? See, we can ride down there to the bottom and see if there's a way across it.
But that creek's running pretty good right now, though, too.